So let's start with our next grammar topic, that is modals or modal verbs. Hi everybody. So let's start with our next grammar topic, that is modals or modal verbs. Modal verbs, what are they? A modal verb is a type of verb that is used to indicate modality, that is ability, permission, request, possibility, suggestion, etc. They are auxiliary verbs that provide additional and specific meaning to the main verb of the sentence. Modal verbs are sometimes referred to as modal auxiliary verbs because they help other verbs. So what are modal verbs? Modal verbs are, we can say, auxiliary verbs only. Modal verbs भी जो हैं वो helping verbs ही हैं क्योंकि they come with the main verb of in the sentence. वो sentence में main verb के साथ ही आते हैं. But what is their function? They indicate ability, permission, request, possibility, suggestion, obligation, advice, etc. They are auxiliary verbs that provide additional and specific meaning to the main verb of the sentence. They are helping verbs. ये भी helping verbs ही होते हैं जो main verb जो sentence में है उसका कोई specific meaning जो है उसको describe करते हैं कि why this has been used. What does this describe? What are the uses of modal verbs? As we have already discussed, they indicate modality like probability, ability, advice, obligation, permission, suggestion. How? For example, it is snowing, so it must be cold outside. Here, must is the modal verb which indicates probability. Probability means किसी चीज़ का chance है. इस time snowfall हो रहा है. It means बाहर ठंड होगी. Ability. She can speak 6 languages. Here can is the modal verb which shows the ability of the person. कोई इंसान क्या करने के काबिल है. Advice or suggestion. You should do yoga daily. Here should is the modal verb. Obligation. You must not smoke at public places. Obligation means we can say duty. So here must is the modal verb. Permission. May I come in? Here may is the modal verb which is used to ask for a permission. So these are the uses of modal verbs. Now one modal verb, एक modal जो है it describes various things. जैसे वो एक ही helping verb एक ही modal auxiliary का use करके we can ask for permission, we can make a request, we can make an offer, we can show the ability, possibility. So one modal verb may have various uses. Let's see one example. Would. Here I have taken modal verb would. First sentence, would you mind if I open the window? So in this sentence, would has been used to ask for permission. Would you mind if I open the window? क्या मैं विंडो खोल सकता हूँ? Would you please lend me your book? If we ask for a request. Would you like to join us for the game? Here we are offering somebody to play with us. This is how one modal verb may have various uses. Let's see how modal verb would has been used in the previous sentences. Would is a special kind of verb which is used before another verb to add a specific meaning to the sentence. अब हमने देखा कि would जो है वो बाकी के main verbs के साथ sentence में use किया गया है so that we could have some specific meaning of the sentence. Not only would, there are many more modal verbs like can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, must, etc. So this is about modal verbs. We will be discussing about their concepts and examples in our next video. Till then, thank you very much.